Okay, ladies and gentlemen, quick little writer's workshop today from Friday's class. How do we use quotation marks? Actually, this probably better question to be asked would be, why do we use them? Well, we want to use them to signify when someone is talking. We want to use them when someone is speaking or talking inside their head, usually in stories. But we're also going to use quotations when we are quoting somebody. Maybe you found a really good quote in your social studies or science textbook, or maybe you're doing some research and you found something that somebody said that was just really, really good, and you wanted to quote them. We use quotes anytime we're not using our own words and we're using the exact words of somebody else that we aren't paraphrasing or summarizing. Finally, and probably most importantly, quotations are really, really helpful to help us reveal character traits or actions in a story. That way our writing isn't really, really boring because there's a whole bunch of variety. We can tell the reader exactly what's happening, but we can also write between the lines and reveal some things that are happening through the dialogue between our characters, the things that they say, or the various actions and things that they do. All right, let's look at some other things here. So here's some examples here of some quotes that we used, basically explaining the same things in a bunch of different ways. The first one is, "Hey guys," Lindsay yelled, "you should go to Edmonton. It's very nice in the winter." You'll notice that we used quotations in two different places, here and here, and here and here. You'll also notice that this is three different sentences. If I wasn't writing it, I was just saying it, it'd be, "Hey guys, you should go to Edmonton. It's very nice in winter." That's three sentences. But we've broken it up. We've provided some variety by putting the description of who's saying it and how right in the middle. In the next one, we only use quotations in one spot. At the beginning and end of, "I assure you, Edmonton is very lovely in the winter." And the little pause there is signified by our little comma. I really like how this student used the word very convincingly. That's some very good writing. On the next one, similar sentence, Lindsay said, comma, "Edmonton is very nice in the winter," comma, end quotation, trying to convince people. So we've broken up the sentence, Lindsay said, trying to convince people, with what she actually said. It's a little awkward, but it can work. The next one, we also do that. We put the description of who said it and how right in the middle of our sentence. Quotation, Edmonton, comma, quotation, Lindsay said, comma, is gorgeous and majestic in the winter. We don't need a capital here because we're not starting a new sentence. She says this all as one sentence. Edmonton is gorgeous and majestic in the winter. By mixing up the kinds of ways that we use quotations, we help bring a lot of variety into our writing, and it makes our writing much more powerful. All right, now in the rest of these, and in your own work, what I'm going to do is just put a little dot if there's a little error in your sentence. So, for example, in this one, as he deciphered the code, we don't need a period here. This should be a comma. And we should also have a capital.